Hello viewers, welcome to home cooking. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple pepper rasam. So please join me. Let's start with these are the ingredients. So I took a small lemon size of tamarind and then I extracted the juice from it. In this cup only I am going to make rasam. So I extracted the juice and I kept it ready. So that is there. We need rasam powder, yellow powder or turmeric powder, asafoetida, coriander, curry leaves, minced garlic, dry chilies, finely chopped tomatoes, cumin, mustard seeds, salt. I've already added oil in the pan, so it's getting warm now. Just a teaspoon will do. You can add ghee also if you want. The oil is hot now. I'm adding in a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, now reduce the flame. Add in the dry chilli, garlic and the curry leaves. Now adding some asafoetida, adding in the chopped tomatoes. Salt. Saute for a couple of minutes. As you can see, the tomatoes are soft now. At this stage, reduce the flame again and add in the tamarind water. You can have this rasam with hot rice with some ghee and some potato fry on the side. Especially this is very good when you're recovering from cold or flu. As you can see, it's starting to boil now. At this stage, just add in 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of rasam powder. Add in the coriander leaves. Just stir one time and then just close it. Our rasam is ready.